I recently started trading with a gold expert advisor and it's absolutely amazing. Over 50 profitable trades and not a single loss. It's hard to believe, but it's true. And here it is. On this 100K account, you can see that it made $7,590, which is just above 7.5%, not a big deal. But if you look at all of the trades in the account history, at the latest close just yesterday, you will notice that all of the trades are profitable. Starting from the 31st of March, so it's a little bit over 2 months and there is not a single losing trade. I've been testing so many expert advisors and to be honest, I've never seen that. And you will notice that in this 100K account, it started with 0.6 and then it started increasing it to 0.61, 0.62, 0.63. And if I show you the properties of the dark gold, because this is the expert advisor I'm talking about, you will notice that there is a money management and I've set it to 0.6 as risk. And there are a lot of settings below. I'll go back to this a little bit later. But first, I want to show you the track record. So here is this account on the 100K project. And I show you the accounts actually already. It's a lot of accounts. I succeeded in opening, of course. My team helped me a lot. But if I show you the dark gold, here it is. You will see that it made exactly 6.55%. The profit in the last 30 days was 2.72. But if I show you the track record, you will notice what a steady growth I have in the balance line. And in the statistics, we can notice an average monthly return of 2.8. Profit factor is empty because there are no losses. Now on this monitor, I have the track record and I'll bring it on the recording screen. This is a demo account where we trade the dark gold and the dark titan for a bit longer, actually much longer, 172 days. If I go to stats and I click on symbols, you will see that the gold or the dark gold is more profitable, but here we have some losses and I'll explain why in the demo account there are losses and why in this 100K live account there are over 50 consecutive profits. But before I do that, there is an important message I want to share with you guys. There is a lot of scam from people pretending to be Petko Alexandrov. There are many Instagram profiles, Telegram groups, YouTube channels, and all social media that you might be using. If somebody contacts you first, this is not me and it's not my team. And just recently we even received this 1-star review on Trustpilot from someone who unfortunately was scammed, and he was scammed many times. And by reading the review, I became honestly very sad and disappointed from the story. But I realized that even after all of that scam, he didn't realize that this was not me, because one more time, we will never contact you first. And I'll show you this demo account. We have it right in here, and you will notice that with this account, I have some losing trades with the gold. So it's trading one more time the Dark Titan, which is trading the New Zealand cat, and I arranged them according to the symbol. But with the gold or with the dark gold expert advisor, of course there are plenty of profitable trades, but from time to time there are those losing trades that are actually recovered. So this losing trade is immediately recovered, the next one is recovered, then this one is losing and it's immediately recovered. This is because there is a grid, not very aggressive, but you can see that the recovery trade opens with double the lot from the losing, so it's 0.04, then the next one is 0.05, 0.08 and it recovers. And you will notice that there is no more recovery orders, just once, and it works really well. But on this 100K account where we decided to test it without the grid option, and I'll go back to the properties and I will show you right in here that the grid is disabled. If I zoom the chart, it just opens one trade and then it will close it. So this is actually the closing. There was a long trade in here. You can see that the price went down, but there was no recovery, and there was an exit once the trade went on a profit, and all of the others are just profitable trades. And I'll show you one more time the track record where we see a very steady balance line, but we may notice equity dips from time to time because there is no grid to recover it quickly. So it might take time for the price to recover the levels. And of course, it's up to you if you decide, okay, that's it, I don't want to lose more. Or it might happen that the expert advisor bought on the top of the gold move, which is hard to happen, but it may happen, and then it starts going down. You may decide, okay, I want to exit, and then you exit manually, but I left it fully automatically. And here comes the decision you have to make when you're trading with grid systems. If you use the grid, there is a very high chance that you will make more money because there will be a recovery order and it will recover the losing trade faster and it will make more money. But the less riskier option is if you don't use grid, as you saw, over 50 consecutive profitable trades, which means that the strategy behind the dark gold is very good, like really sustainable strategy, because usually what happens is the more grid one expert advisor uses, the weaker the strategy is behind. And this one doesn't need to use an aggressive grid martingale system, and even in the account where it is trading with the grid, it just opens one recovery order and it recovers the trades very successfully. And you can notice what a nice history I have in this account where the grid is actually activated. And if I show it to you in the inputs, you will see that I am using ATR multiplier of 2 and period of 9. And I'll just scroll through the rest of the settings we are using in this account, but we will include them down below in the description if you want to download the set files we are using in this 100K account. And something very important, if you are trading with expert advisors, especially the gold, it is very important the broker you are using. And today I want to show you FP Markets, a broker I started using recently with many of the expert advisors because they have really tight spreads and low commission. This year they celebrate 20 years since they are on the market. They offer MetaTrader 4 and 5, TradingView, CTrader, WebTrader, pretty much all platforms you may need. And there are two types of accounts, the standard and the raw account. So in the raw account, the spreads start from 0, but there is a commission of $6 per lot. And the standard, where we pay spreads from 1 pips, there is no commission. But I reached out to FP Markets and I asked for further discount for myself, my team, and you guys, the subscribers. So if you look on our website, on the brokers section, you will see that with FP Markets, for the raw account, it is $4.5 per lot instead of the 6, and for the standard account, it is $0.7 per lot instead of the $1 per lot. So make sure you use the link from the website or the link down below in the description of the video. You will take advantage of these lower fees, which is vital when you're trading with expert advisors. And if I show you the Dark EAs website, you will see that the dark gold is suitable not just for the gold, but for the Bitcoin and for the Forex currency pairs. And so far we've been testing it only on the gold, so there are more opportunities here, and you can learn more about the expert advisor from their website. Let me show you the pricing. There are positive reviews, so it's a 19 $49 robot for 5 flexible licenses for MetaTrader 4 and 5. This means that you can have 5 accounts, and even you use all of them and you delete one, you can change and reuse the license on a new account you may have. And the price for 10 flexible licenses is $149. And I'll start 3 more live accounts with FP Markets for the purpose of the 100k project. The first account I will be trading with the #1 gold expert advisor from the top 10 app, but this time I'm not gonna use the most profitable expert advisor for the last 1 month, but I will click on the complete historical data and I will use the expert advisor with the lowest drawdown. So you'll see that from the first 3, the second one has 7.79, and if I scroll lower we will see 7.09 with that one and 7.02 with this expert advisor, ending on 36.33. And basically this will be the one I will trade in this account. Just 1 click and I will download it for MetaTrader 5 and I'll put it on the new FP account. The second live account will be with the Happy vendor, and this time I will be trading the Happy Forex. So right in here, Happy Forex, we can see a very nice balance line from the vendor, and as well I'll be trading the Happy Japanese, which we're already testing with my team on a demo account, but once we have more results on the live, we will review it. I'll leave all the links down below in the description, and of course the track records from all of our accounts, because they are transparent. We don't hide anything. On the 100k project you can also see all of the accounts that failed. Like, they didn't blow the accounts, but if they reach -10, sometimes -20% on the live accounts, I consider them as failed. So the results are absolutely transparent on our website, and at any moment you will know if a certain expert advisor is suitable for a certain trading platform or a broker. As always guys, I thank you so much for watching today's video. Before you go, check out this video on my site to learn more about another expert advisor that is trading gold really well. I wish you safe trading, and as always, don't forget I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.